Go.
Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Wednesday, September 20th, and it is feeling a lot like fall here in Cary, finally, which we are all super happy about. So now that fall is actually technically starting on Saturday, we thought we would share with you some of our fall offerings. And this is the third weekend in October quilt by well, it features K Facet fabrics and K Facet shot cottons. It is truly, truly an amazing quilt. And we have these big, humongous kits, which include how much fabric? It's a lot. It's a lot of fabric.
17 yards or something.
They are now on sale. Let's see, we have 15 yards of cottons and then 10 yards of shot cotton. So 25 yards of fabric in this kit. They are now on sale 25% off. So we hope that you will consider taking on one of these heirloom projects because truly I hope that you can see all the beautiful colors there. And if you can't, I hope that you can come and see it in the shop while we have it still hanging. The next things I want to share with you are a couple other groups for the holidays. This is Forest Frolic, and I believe this down here is more of that. So let's trade off. This is called Autumn Light. Classic faux collections are always popular, like this one by Lola Molina. Let's open it up so we can see what it looks like. Oh, pumpkins, fall florals, and more. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it off. And blacks, oranges, reds, and more come together for an elegant quilt or table setting. And this is by Wilmington Prints. And this is a small sample of what we have available here in the store. We do have more fabric in this line, and then we also have more fabric in the Forest Frolic line along with the layer cakes. So I was just going to show you a little bit of it. Forest Frolic is glorious blooms of Indian blanket flowers striped in red and gold. The oaks give plump acorns to the birds while the leaves paint the trees in orange and red. The forest floor is dotted with branches and mushrooms. I love those little mushrooms in this print. And this collection is by Robin Pickens for Moda. So there you go. We have a little bit of all kinds of things just to get you in the mood for fall and get you excited for the upcoming weather wherever you are. I hope you guys have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.